Okay, in our continuing effort to transform our backyard into a playpen, mountain bike trail, and make it generally as dangerous as possible, we're creating an adventure course, and the first step of that is, so far, the Zipline. We've had one unsuccessful attempt rather, where Colin, there's Colin, he's impatient, fell, and so we've reinforced it, and this is going to be try number 2. Here we have an old wiffle ball bat, which was sawed off. The theory being, when we hit that with the zip line, your feet will swing forward to a plank on this tree. There goes the zip line, blinded by the sun. There goes the volunteer crash test dummy. Not that you're a dummy, Cal. Who did not want to wear his helmet. I thought perhaps it might be a good idea. So, we have the rope to secure the zip line. Hold on, let me get a picture of how far we're going here. This is the first test. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah, but I'm scared.
Okay, well, try putting your weight onto the line first. Remember, that's where it gave way last time.
Onto the what?
Lean onto the handle as if you're about ready to go. Start putting some weight on the line. How's it feel?
Sturdy.
Sturdy? Well, that's
I
prompt.
want to see how long that thing is. See if it'll stop it.
Okay, so test number 1. The test pilot in this case is Colin. Colin, how are you feeling?
Scared?
Scared, okay. That's natural, don't let it bother you.
Okay, ready?
Put your weight on it and then ease off of it. Don't just jump onto it.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I'm not.
Lean into it and then let your feet go.
That wasn't bad. That's
All right, it held you up. I kind of slowed at the end, didn't it? Because of the line bowed a little bit. Maybe it's not quite as dangerous as we first suspected. Alright, so let's try it again. Then we can get to work on the planks and then on to the next obstacle. 3, 2, you left early.
That time it went a little faster.
Alright, now go back. See, you can't reach the tree. How are you going to get down? A new problem presents itself. Trying to train Jenna to bring the zip line back from pulling on the rope. Good girl. Oh, go get that. Go get that zip line. Come on, come here, Jen. Bring the rope. You's a dumb dog. Yeah. Here. Oh no. Here, get the rope. Get the rope. Get that rope. Now bring it this way. Not that way. This way. Yeah, this way. Come on, Jay. Jay, you dumb dog. When they were passing out boxer brains, I think you were tardy. Can we have the rope, Jenna?
You go get it.
Okay.
Jenna still has.
Jenna, you don't pull on that rope. Yeah, you don't want to... You feel like there's a chance you may slam yourself into the tree?
No.
That's good.
Let me try it without putting my feet on.
Okay. Fire when ready.
Well,
Huh?
you've been pretty close to hitting yourself.
So now what? Okay, a few minor enhancements. We have the landing plank installed and sawed a couple of branches so we have handholds, and we're going to test it out and see how it goes. Okay. You ready?
Yeah. You're gonna say go?
3, 2, 1, go. Well,
That was easy.
better?
Yeah.
Now what?
Now we can go like this to something else. And we have our swing to there.
Don't you want to swing from the other side of the tree?
Yeah. Okay. We're ready.
Recording?
Yeah.
Oh, rope's caught.
Well, that should be something on your checklist to fix.
It works.
It's sagging quite a bit.
How's Jenna? That kind of hurts, Jenna.
Dad, you're only 4 inches off the ground.